This is Teresa at the Idaho State Tax Commission, and I have for you today our Tuesday Tax FAQs. And our question is, how do I amend my 850 sales tax return? Last period we gave some refunds, maybe we fat fingered something in our TAP account, and we need to make some corrections. So we cannot do them online. They're going to have to be done on paper. If you did it on paper originally, you want to print off a copy of what you've already submitted. If you don't have copies, just give us a call, we'll get some to you. Or you can go into your TAP account and you want to print off your submission from TAP online. Once we have our paper copy in front of us, we're ready to start. From there, we want to write the word amended across the top. We want to let the Tax Commission know we're making changes. After we write amended, we want to use a black pen and cross out all of our incorrect numbers that we want to change. And off to a blank space, we want to rework our form and put our new corrected numbers on our 850. So on your amended, if you owe additional amounts of tax, you can send in a check with your amended form, or you can use our website to make your additional payment. If you are expecting a refund due to an overpayment, you can send it to us, and once it's completed processing, you'll see that refund in about 2 to 4 weeks. Once your changes are complete, you're going to have to mail or to us. It can be mailed to our P.O. Box 76, that's Boise, Idaho, zip code 83707. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and make sure to check back every Tuesday for more Tuesday Tax FAQs. I'll be answering more of you guys' questions, and if you think of any that are not covered on the website, just give us a call and we can help you out.